back to my channel. Today I'm sitting down. I just bought a bunch of stuff that I actually needed. It wasn't a want. Well, it was a want. It wasn't a need, but I definitely needed it. So there goes that. Every time the Sephora sale comes on, I feel like for the past 2 years I've kind of just like, you know, balled out and gotten whatever I want because this is my job. You know, I have to get things that I want. And some other extra things like a Tom Ford lipstick that glitters everywhere. Who needs that? I do. I am so excited to show you guys these products that not only are like things that I've been wanting to genuinely try out. Some of them are like TikTok viral, things that are overhyped, and I wanted to try it out for myself to see if it's really the hype and if I really love them. But you guys will have to wait and see at the end. There's a product here that I'm just like living for, and I think you guys will like it too. If you guys want to see my haul from the Sephora sale and me trying them on with my first impressions, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, let's get started. I'm so excited. So I'm just gonna use the products as I would do my normal makeup routine, and then obviously whatever else I put on my face that is not part of the haul, I will link for you guys. First, I picked up the LASH 2-piece lip set. I am obsessed with the lip sleeping mask. This is the mango flavor. If you guys follow me on TikTok and Instagram, you know that I'm always constantly every single day raving about it, and I picked up this set because it was cheaper than buying the mango mask alone. But I'm gonna see what it smells like because the other one smells like bubblegum and I just like, it's not for me. This is a berry one. Let's try it out. I'm not gonna try on the mango one because I already have it and it's just amazing. Feels amazing. I just can't. It's like too much of a sweet candy smell. I mean, it's not unbearable, but it's just like so moisturizing, so hydrating. I've seen a lot of people use these lip balms with lip liner, which I haven't done before. But yeah, I just love these lip balms. I could just like have these like forever. Here I have a face primer that I always wanted to try. It is from Refi Beauty. It is the Glow and Sculpt. Well, first of all, I love I love Refi Beauty, but it's just like the technology of this. It's like the way that it's applied. First of all, the packaging super matte, super gorgeous. I love the minimal packaging. It says here, keep lid on after use. So this is what it looks like. It almost seems like a roll-on situation, and you just squeeze it out. Oh my god, look at that glow. It seems like it's unscented. Maybe I am putting on way too much. I'm gonna stop squeezing it. Alright, so I definitely think that I applied way more than I should have, but I kind of hope it's like a sticky base because I love it when it's that way because the makeup just lasts longer. But I do like the roll-on situation. I wish it was metal, but maybe like there's a reason why it's not metal, and it says to keep on the lid after use. So hopefully it doesn't get really gross, maybe for like hygienic purposes, but we shall see how it just dries down on the skin. It doesn't feel like super sticky, but we shall see. One thing that I'm really excited about is this new Kosas setting spray. I've seen it all over TikTok and I love a good setting spray, and I have been loving Kosas so much. I've slowly been getting like other products like little by little. Hopefully I can get a PR really soon, but this is what it looks like. Also the packaging is really cute. It is plump and juicy vegan collagen spray on serum, lifting, plumping, soothing. You can spray this serum on clean skin morning and night, but I also want to use it as like a makeup one. It does smell like Kosas like products. God, I cannot wait to see how this looks on my skin after I apply my makeup, and of course like, oh, look at my chest. It's giving glow. Can't wait to see it after my makeup's done, and I'm gonna keep reapplying it. This primer, giving baby. Alright, so while that sets and dries, I picked up this Ordinary multi-peptide lash and brow serum. Promote the look of thicker, fuller, and healthier lashes and brows. I'm actually a fan of the Ordinary. I do have some of the products as well. For some reason I thought it was gonna be like a spoolie situation, you know, like a brush on. But the good thing about the Ordinary, it's like they're known for like pure products, like ingredients and formulas. So it's really affordable, the Ordinary. I will link also the products that I do own if you do want to try more stuff. But the price, the quality of these products, 10 out of 10. I feel like now we can get started on the actual makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows and foundation off camera. And then I'm also gonna do my eyes as well because I don't have like any eye products. And I'll be right back. Okay, I just did my foundation and my eyebrows because I want to see if this concealer has carving out power. I grabbed the most infamous concealer right now on TikTok right now. What? I'm just repeating myself. From Kosas. I hope I got the right shade. I also had the foundation, stunning. Liner, stunning. Like, I love Kosas. I have the shade 6.50 Revealer. I've seen a lot of girls spot conceal, and this is what they use to, like, for their base, but I didn't want to do that today. I wanted to glam myself like I normally would. I think this is like a dark concealer for me, and it's giving more like olive tones. It's not a bad match, it's just I'm used to like something red, and then I'm just gonna apply some here, starting with the eyebrows first. It's not a bad color at all. I just hope that it doesn't like oxidize or anything. I honestly might like keep this shade and just grab like a lighter one. Eyebrows are carved, not so bad. I'm gonna go in with my sponge and blend it out. This is like the true test of the concealer. Is it just me, or does it now look like lighter that I blended it out? Wow, the coverage in this concealer, it's very, very pretty. Can't wait to like set it now, like with loose powder, and see how it looks set. So far, so good. The concealer shade kind of like worried me a little bit, but the undertones of the concealer shade really match my skin very well. And now that I am like a little bit more tan, this is like my natural tan, which is like really amazing. I'm not self-tan at all. Like little Hawaiian sun tan. And I did go to Palm Springs the other day as well, so kept my tan. Looking very, very good. No complaints here. The skin is still super glowy. I feel like the spray and the primer also did a really good job at that. So I'm now gonna go ahead and set my face with Kosas Cloud Set. It's a bake setting and smoothing powder. I am terrified of setting my face with pressed powders because they tend to crease on me. This is what it looks like. It seems like it's very thin. Oh, guys. I'm just going to, like, considering this side versus this side, I'm also going to set it over this, like, shiny area here. I feel like I still might go in and do, like, baking a little bit. But, guys, if this actually bakes my eyes, like, my under eyes, my fine lines, it will be game over. Okay, now, you see that shininess? It's almost like it sets it, but it leaves like a beautiful, like glowy finish. Now, this is what I typically would use to bake my face. I have tried this before and I just really love it. I'm gonna show it to you guys. I'm not gonna use it today because I want to try out the Cloud Set, but it is the Givenchy loose powder. It comes with like 4 like correcting colors, and they're mainly pink and like a peachy color, and they just give you the softest, most beautiful look. Wow, the skin looks really good. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, even though I haven't done bronzer and blush, I like the tones here. I think I'm gonna get a lighter concealer anyways. I'm just like, ugh. Okay, now that the base is done, I'll do my eyes, some bronzer, and then I'll come back for the rest of the products. And we're back. The things that I've done in the past like 30 minutes, but doesn't matter. I have to get some work done. But foundation and everything is looking so good. Apply my bronzer, some mascara. This mascara, guys, I just raved about it on TikTok because it is just that amazing. It's my favorite one, my go-to. I haven't stopped wearing it, so I'll link it for you guys. Back to the Sephora haul. I have been dying to get my hands on the new, well, not the new, the Dior blush, the peachy one. I have the rose one, and it's just so stunning, but oh my god, it's so pretty. I don't want to like mess it up, but girly, what are we here for, you know? This is Sigma All Over Powder F24, and this is in the shade Coral. I hope it's everything I've been waiting for and more. Oh my god, oh my god. I feel like I need to apply this blush with a less warm bronzer. Maybe with like a smaller brush so it's more precise. Because Dior blushes can be very, very pigmented. But I do like that it's more of a luminous matte formula. It's so pretty. It's been sold out forever. I'm gonna use my Kosas Plump and Juicy Spray. Kinda hoping to make it luminous again. But okay, up next, clearly we just have lip products to try out. Other than that, I did purchase the Cinema Secrets Rush Cleanser. Truthfully, the best one. It's really, really good. I like to use this to spot clean my brush, especially when I'm filming like a lot of makeup, especially content. I need a clean brush every single time. Cleans it super fast, super easy, and it leaves it dry. So you don't have to wait for a soggy wet brush overnight. If you know, you know. I actually owned this lip liner, but I lost it, so I already bought it again. I bought the rosy one, which I love, but the font is dark enough for my skin tone. I just love lip liner. Oh, it's so good. I can literally apply this lip liner all day long. I just am obsessed. You need it in your life. So, lip products, I have 3, and I don't know which one I want to use. I think I want to use the Dior lip oil, but it's like darker. but I did pick up the Kosas wet glosses, the wet set, because I'm more obsessed with unbuttoned. So, oh my god, I don't have any of these shades. I'm so excited. I thought I was gonna get unbuttoned again, but that is not the case. I think I'm gonna try this out for TikTok, but I am going to I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. So it comes in a mini size, but actually I think this might be the actual size. I don't know. This is the shade Bear. We're gonna put it right here. Oh my god, so pretty. We have the shade Revealed, more of a light pink shade. I just want to throw away all my other glosses that I own and just use these. We have Exposed, which is like a glittery color. These are all so pretty. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a TikTok word test for them, because I just, you know, want to sprinkle the content everywhere. I also picked up the Dior Addict Lip Glow Oil. Look at this, it's like a dark one. I don't think I've seen anybody use this one, which is why I wanted to try it out. I have the other ones, but actually, yeah, I'm gonna use this today. I have the pink one, but it's too pink. Mahogany, yeah. What intrigued me is that it is a darker gloss, which is something that I don't really own. They're usually very pink or nude based, and like it's not giving like red or like you don't know, like a brownie red color. I have no words. What? Did you guys see this? This is so intimidating on the bottle, but it almost gives you like a brownie like tint. Wow, wow, wow. I have no words. And then last but not least, I picked up, I just can't help but look at my lips. It looks so good. The Tom Ford lipstick. Also bought it for like TikTok purposes. But again, I'm gonna wear it. I just like pretty things. And I like buying like pretty makeup. This is the container. Super nice, luxurious. And it's like my first Tom Ford. Guys, look at this. I don't know if you can see it, but I almost want to swatch it. This pays off. Like a dryish, glittery topper. If I had matte lips or like a liquid lipstick, I would totally put it on. But again, I'll try this out again on TikTok. But I am very pleased with all the products that I tried today. I absolutely love them all. I must say my favorite one has to be the Dior lip oil in the shade Mahogany. Oh my god, those. Alright guys, I had to go get pretty for y'all, do this hair because it was giving just like a nappy mess. Yeah, I'm a blondie now. Did I not even acknowledge that? This is the blondest I've ever been, and I'm just like living my best like bombshell Elsa Latina Barbie dream. Like it's giving wig. Anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching this little get ready with me first impressions of my Sephora sale picks. I will have everything linked down below as always, with all the links for you guys to check out and get for yourself. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. That's where I stay most active. Clearly, if there was another platform, I would be posting on there too. That is it for today, guys. I love you so much. Muchos besitos y abrazos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, girlies.